IELTS pin-only nightmare. If you're planning to take the paper-based IELTS in 2026, you need to know about the rule change that is quietly catching students out. In many regions, the pencil safety net is gone. New policies effective from early 2025 in various centers enforce a pin-only rule for the written exams. Imagine writing your Task 2 essay in pen. You make a mistake, you cross it out, you realize the paragraph structure is wrong, you cross that out. Suddenly your answer sheet looks like a battlefield. Meanwhile, the computer-delivered candidate is sitting next to you, deleting entire sentences with only one keystroke and dragging paragraphs around with zero mess. Today, I'm not teaching you English. I'm teaching you the mechanics of the computer-delivered IELTS. These are the interface hacks that can save you up to 10 minutes per section. Strategies that paper candidates simply cannot use. Hack number 1, the automatic word counter. On paper, you waste precious minutes counting 1, 2, 3, 4 to ensure that you hit the 250 words. On the computer, look here. Here is the automatic word counter. It updates in real time at the bottom of the screen. You never have to count manually again. But the real advantage here is Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Yes, the standard keyboard shortcuts work. Why does this matter? It changes how you write. You don't need to plan perfectly in your head. You can write your body paragraph 2 first, realize it's actually better as body paragraph 1, and just cut and paste it to the top. You cannot do that on paper without rewriting the whole essay. If you need help with these keyboard shortcuts, we've provided a computer-based IELTS keyboard shortcut cheat sheet in the notes below. If you found these interface hacks useful, please do 2 things to help you on test day. First, like this video and subscribe to the E2 Language YouTube channel so you don't miss our next essential strategy guide. Second, if you're serious about breaking your score ceiling, don't just watch, take action. Head over to e2language.com right now to sign up for a full simulated mock test. You won't just get a score, you'll get personalized results and in-depth human feedback from our expert teachers who understand the marker's logic. It's the strategic roadmap you need to go from being stuck at a 6.5 to getting the score that changes your life. Hack 2 is the IELTS independent scrolling. The interface solves the page flip problem. On paper, you're constantly flipping back and forth, which breaks your concentration. On the computer-based test, the screen is split. The scroll bars are independent. This is especially helpful for the reading section. Now you can lock the question on the right side of your screen while you scroll through the text on the left to find your answer. You never lose your place. Hack 3 is the IELTS right-click secret. Students often ask me, can I annotate on the computer? I like using my highlighter. And the answer is yes, and it's cleaner. Select any text, right-click, and hit highlight. But the pro move is the note function. If you aren't sure about an answer, tag the text with a digital sticky note. Later, when you come back to check, you don't have to reread the whole paragraph. Your thought process is saved right there on the screen. Hack 4 is the IELTS review screen. On paper, if you skip a question, you might forget to go back. On the computer, you can flag it. See this button? If you're stuck on question 12, select the flag and move on. At the end of the test, you can click that number to jump instantly back to that specific screen. No flipping pages, no hunting for blank spaces. Hack 5 is the IELTS hide button. There are 2 tiny buttons that most people ignore. First is settings. If you struggle with reading on screens, you can change the text size and even the background color, like yellow and black, to reduce eye strain. You can't change the font size of a paper exam. The second is the hide button. If you need to run to the bathroom, you hit this. It blanks your screen so no one can see your answers while you're away. Just remember that the timer does not stop. The IELTS typing speed myth. Finally, let's kill a myth. You do not need to be a touch typing wizard. Studies show that even moderate typing speeds are often faster than handwriting, and the clarity of typed text can actually help examiners read your work without straining. If you're tired of generic advice and your score is stuck, you need a human strategy. Click the link below to book a one-on-one tutoring session with one of our expert teachers. This isn't a lecture. It's a personalized diagnostic that maps out the exact high-leverage areas you need to fix. Get the marker's logic applied directly to your writing and speaking to break the 6.5 plateau and secure the band 7 score you need. If you'd like to see whether you're ready for the computer test, or if you should stick to paper, use our typing speed self-diagnostic and checklist provided in the notes below. The computer test isn't just a digital version of the paper test. It's a more efficient tool, if you know how to use it. Don't let the interface be a mystery. If you want to know exactly where you stand right now, try our free decision-making tool, Strategic Comparison, Paper versus Computer, the 2026 edition. This will help you choose the format that best leverages your strengths. It's provided in the notes below. For more help with your IELTS preparation, don't forget to sign up to e2language.com for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.